Hey guys, my name is Angelia and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a kind of different video. So I got approached by HPRT to do a collab with them on their label maker, which I'm super excited about. So we're gonna go ahead and dig into this. There will be a link and everything. I've already unwrapped it because I didn't want to be fussing with the cellophane on camera. But this is the box it came in. We will be playing around with it. It is a label maker. I've been wanting one for a while, so it was kind of perfect, and I'm very excited. So let's see. We have a little instruction booklet here. I will get to that in a second. It's just telling you how to turn it on and all of that fun stuff. How do I get this out of here? We're just doing a little bit of an unboxing before we actually play with it. I apologize for my camera. I don't know why it's bleaching everything out. It's being really stupid. Who knows? Because technology. So this is the actual little device. I believe it's a specific model. It's the T20 printer. It doesn't use any ink from what I've read, which is super nice because we always run out of ink, but there is, oh, it's not gonna focus. There we go, kind of, maybe. Maybe if I put it down, it'll focus. There you go. If you're trying to read it, it's the T20 model. It's a label printer. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. I'm assuming this is a cord. Yes, so we have a little USB to USB-C cord. I'm gonna set the boxes and everything off to the side. Assuming this needs to be charged. So if it needs to be charged, we'll cut and then I'll come back. Yeah, it does need to be charged. So it's charged. So I'm trying to figure out... Okay, so we hold the power button down for 3 seconds. Okay, that worked. It came... It making noises, guys. Double press the power button, position and calibrate the paper and heating line? Shouldn't I mean, I guess it already has paper in it, right? In the state of power on, continuously press the power button for 3 times to print a self-test page. See, I don't know if it's actually like fed through here or not. It's not. It's just chilling in here. Okay. So mine did come with some papers. We are going to load that. I should have checked that, but I was like, you know, let's just see. Let's just test it out. This is my first time using it, so I'm excited. How am I supposed to load this? It's supposed to be... Yes. I think it's supposed to be just like it was. Though the paper is shown on the right. So you kind of tug them out a little bit. And then smush that guy back down. You have to adjust the little arms in here to hold the paper roll. Okay, looks like it's wasting a few, but that's fine. Pull a short distance beyond the... Okay, okay, so now if I double press the power button. Cool, okay, that worked. So I'm going to do a test print to see how this works. That is super cool. We wasted 3 of them, but that's fine. I can probably write something on there myself. But that's super cool. Okay, I'm really excited. Again, I've been wanting a label maker for a while. Plus, you can make like gift tags around Christmas and stuff. And that's my jam. You guys, if you've been around my channel a while, you know I'm super crafty. I make mini ears and stuff like that for Disneyland. And I made all of our wedding stuff. So this is right up my freaking alley. Ooh, they have an app too that you can download, which is super cool. I'm gonna freaking do that right now, just so I can print something different, because I'm really excited. Also, while this is downloading, I did want to note that the charging was actually super duper simple. I already retied up the power cord. So the power cord comes like this. If you have an iPhone or anything that requires a brick, I just plugged it into my iPhone brick and it charged with, it was actually a really quick charge. I was pleasantly surprised by that because I was expecting to be sitting here for a while, but no, it was actually decent. Maybe it's because I was already kind of pre-charged. I'm not sure. So it's going to try to connect me to Bluetooth. I'm going to show my phone. You guys may not be able to see it too much because of the lighting. We're gonna go through this part together too. Also, I'm sitting in my husband's chair because my chair's been killing my back. I'm gonna go look for a new chair very soon. So fingers crossed that works. We are no tracking. Connect printer. Oh, it immediately recognized it. Okay. Printer connected. Okay, battery's 100%. We have settings and everything. That's pretty nice. So let's see. Identified information of paper loaded, history. So I guess if I click new label at the bottom. I'm excited. Wait, you can do photos? Allow access, yes. Okay, I don't want to use my 50,000 screenshots of chairs right now because there's a lot. Let's see, what can I use here? Oh heck, you guys can see. There's a bunch of nail polish and stuff, sim stuff. I don't know what's going on. My internet's terrible. You guys know that drill at this point of how bad it is. Maybe I should do the flowers that Scott sent me when he was doing flowers for Valentine's Day, or we try to do a wedding one. Okay, I'm gonna click okay. I don't quite know where the photo goes. So I've been playing with the app. It's kind of hard to see. There we go, if we tilt it. The lighting is being terrible. So I'm trying to click on the various things and it's not letting me see what's there. I don't know if it's my internet. It might very well be my internet. I can't even send pictures to my friends right now, so it's probably my internet. So we're just going to do a text one and see how it turns out. It looks like you might have to download it. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm gonna pick a cute font here. I wonder if you can upload your own font at some point. That would be kind of cool. Let me see. Or if you can create your own label and then import it. That would actually be super duper fun. So I'm gonna click on the Milky Coffee one. It's currently downloading. So I settled for, you guys can't see it because of my camera. You can kind of faintly see it. I settled just to put my name in there. I'm gonna see if I can make it a little bit bigger maybe. So I think that would be kind of cool. Yes, let's make it bigger. I promise I will figure this out. It's just, again, I don't know if it's my internet or if the app is lagging on me, which is a possibility too. The printer, it does connect flawlessly, but it's just like, it's not letting me download all the things. I'll post a screen cap on the screen for you guys to see what I'm talking about, because there is a section for photos, bubbles, stickers, graffiti, date, barcode, and a line. The barcode would actually be super helpful for events and things of that nature. But we are just going to do a test print here. Let's see if this works. It says it's processing. You can kind of see the little processing bubble popping up. I'm just having it print my name. Listen, I'm uncreative. I got it to work this time, so we're gonna click print. I think it's just gonna do one copy because it says it's a standard copy. That's so cool. It's so freaking fast too. So it definitely printed my name. Again, the lighting is not ideal. I had to turn the brightness up on the camera and my side light to be able to see. Let me see if I can turn my ring light down a tiny bit. Yeah, now it's a little bit better. You can see what's done, which is actually really cool. 100% it might have been my internet. My internet has been utter trash lately. Complete and utter trash. There's like, you can't really see it, but oh, there you go. There's like Christmas ones. I love Christmas, so that is right up my freaking alley. I love Christmas. I'm gonna try one more time to do the photo one and see if that one works, because that's what I'm like most excited about. Let me do this one. Okay, this one actually appeared. Let me replace the photo then. I just clicked on a random picture to see if it would pop up on the screen, because there's like a little section about like this big, well, obviously smaller. It's like this canvas right here, this little rectangle, and you can put stuff in there to actually print onto the label, if that makes any sort of sense. But let me scroll through and find like a decent one. So I was finally able to get it to download the font I liked. I put in a little like Santa looking guy because this is me and I love Christmas. I'm trying to adjust it on the screen here. Not to where you guys can see because, you know, my phone's like bleaching out, but I'm just making like a cute little thing. This could actually be really cute for Christmas time once it prints. Let's see if it'll work. Yes, it's working. All right. It's super cute. Tell me that won't be like adorable for around Christmas time. We have a lot of little kids in my family. My cousins all have children, so being able to like customize labels for their gifts is going to be super cute instead of just buying the ones that you get off of like Walmart and whatnot and just sticking like Scooby-Doo on there. half of them don't even know what Scooby-Doo is anymore, which makes me very sad. This is gonna come in handy around the holidays. The printer does work. It's super cool. I'm going backwards and let's see, can I get like a bubble? What do the bubbles look like? Oh, the bubbles are appearing now. I wonder if it's my internet. It very well might be my internet not working and instead of the app. Again, I can't even send pictures to my friends right now. We are having a storm right now, so that might be why. Because in Vegas, you get a storm, your internet dies. Ooh, the little bubbles are super cute. I kind of wish that I could, as I was saying before the car drove past, I kind of wish that I could plug this guy into my computer and then print directly from there. Like, I wish there was a computer program for this guy that's similar to the app, but that I can function on my PC. That would be super cool because it's kind of like my Cricut machine. Because the Cricut machine, I have an app on my phone that I can use, but I also have the app on the computer that I can use. I'm just more comfortable with a mouse and a keyboard to like move things at this point since I do so much editing and things of that nature. I would love to see a computer program for it. That would make me insanely happy, but the app works reasonably well. I'm going to add like a little bubble now. I'm going to delete my little snowman friend. He's not a snow, he might be a snowman. He might be like a happy little snowman guy. Let's see, where did it go? There we go. Bubble. Which bubble do I like? I kind of like this bubble. Oh, so then you re-input text. Okay. I'm still just gonna put my name because that's I'm gonna put hello. Ooh, okay. So make him bigger. I'm gonna get rid of my name up at the top. Go away, name. We don't want you. We're gonna make the hello like kind of big. Print. It is processing. This is what the print screen kind of, if you guys can see, if I can tilt it. I have my brightness like all the way down too. I don't know why. Let me turn it completely down and see if it, there we go. With the brightness completely down, it works so you can see it a lot better. So I'm gonna click print down at the bottom. He's going ahead and printing. And it says hello. Okay, I'm gonna stop printing labels before I use up this entire roll because I will. On complete nonsense. Like, it'll be a picture of my cat's face. And then I'll just stick it on Scott's pillow. Oh. That might be really funny to do to him. We might have to do that later. That could actually be really, really funny. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. Again, a huge thank you to the HPRT team for providing me with this. This is what I've been, you know, you can't see it because my camera's being a bit of a jerk. You can see it on the printer though. It's HPRT is the team. There will be a link. I might have to put it in a Twitter link because YouTube has this thing about links right now. But yeah, here's everything that I created. Again, the lighting's kind of bleaching everything out right now, which is unfortunate. But you can see the label maker pretty clearly, which is what I wanted. It's very tiny. My hands are not very big. I mean, you can see in comparison to my mouse, my hand barely works on this mouse. Yeah, this is him. He's very cute. I'm very grateful that they reached out to me because this is super cool and I will definitely make use out of this guy like a lot, especially around the holidays because I also bake a lot. So being able to like put together a box of cookies and being able to like, write on here what everything is and just put it on top, that's game changing. So I don't have to write out a list for like my in-laws and stuff like that and they're like, what am I getting? You'll know exactly now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and again, a huge thank you to the HPRT team. That was a tongue twister. I appreciate it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and me kind of figuring it out and playing around with it. I like kind of going into it with no knowledge and just trying to make sense of it because, you know, sometimes you just jump into things just like a video game. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a magical day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!